Okay, I'm going to record a Scratch project that uses the broadcast. So first thing I'm going to do is, actually I'll keep the cat, and I'm going to go to the stage and create just 3 backgrounds. So let's edit this first background, just make it pink, and get the fill tool, just make it a pink one, and say OK. And then I'm going to create another one. Just fill this one with blue and create a third one, and we'll just fill this one with green. Perhaps we'll do one more which we'll fill with yellow. Okay, I'm going to get 3 sprites. I've got a cat. I'm going to go into the animals folder and just grab the bat, and then I'll grab one more. I'll grab the bee. So I've got 3 sprites there. Okay, right, let's start off with this one. On the first page we need the first background. We're going to stick with pink. Right, now to make sure it always starts on the pink, I need the control. I'm on the stage when the green flag is clicked, switch to, and in fact if I go in there it might be easier if I just make them pink, give them the proper names: pink, blue, green and yellow. Stops confusion. Back same with the sprites. We've got the sprite cat, bat and bee. Okay, let's go back to the stage. So script, when the green flag, switch to background, and we're going to switch to the pink. So it always starts off at the pink. Okay, let's go to the cat. Right, we want the cat to show, but we do not want the bat to show. So I'm going back to the bat script. When the green flag is clicked, hide basically. So we go to looks, hide, and the same with the bee. When the green flag is clicked, looks, hide. Okay, right, so let's go back there. Now when I click the green flag, we've only got the cat on the screen. Right, we're going to add a question on the cat. So when the green flag, we'll set up a variable first of all. Make a variable, call it score, and it's going to be for this sprite only. In fact, it's full sprites. Okay, and there it is. So sprite, when the green flag is clicked, first thing we're going to do is set the score to 0. Okay, we want the cat will be showing. Make sure he's going to show. And we're going to ask a question. So we're going to go to sensing, and we're going to ask, and we're going to keep it simple. Is this cat? Or what is this animal? What is this animal? Okay. And wait, now I'm going to add an if. If, scroll down a little bit, because we need the if or else. And I'm going to put that in there. Now it's if. We go to operators, and we need this one with an equals in the middle. We're going to grab that, just put it there. Now in this block here we need the answer, so we go to sensing, grab the word answer and just drop that in there, and here the answer to this question is cat. Right, now if they answer that correctly, the first thing that will happen is that they change the score by 1. They'll get that correct. They're going to say something, so we're going to say well done. Well done. Well done. That'll be for 2 seconds. Now if they get it wrong, what we're going to do is broadcast. We're going to send a broadcast, and we're going to create a new one called wrong. Okay, and we'll fix that in a moment. And we're also going to say what should we say? Ooh, wrong, or anything like incorrect or whatever. We then want the cat to hide. That's the end of the question. We then want him to send another broadcast, which is basically going to open the next screen. So broadcast, and we'll create a new one called next screen, which I think the next screen was blue, is it? Blue? Blue. Okay. Right, we're just going to work out what the wrong is. So it's, we want when I receive wrong, what I want it to do is to play a sound. It's going to play a sound. Now we need to import a sound first of all. The sound that we're going to get, we'll just go to the animal sounds. I think there was a donkey. Let's go sounds, animal. What animal should we have to indicate that it's wrong? A wolf howl, that'd be quite a good one. So that's the sound that we're going to use to show them that it's wrong. So when I receive wrong, I'm going to play the sound wolf howl. Okay, and then same as if I was right, I want him to then hide. And I want him to broadcast. Well, actually, it's just hide. Okay, so let's try it out. So it's when I clicked, the score is 0. What is this animal? Now, if I put cat in, when I click the tick, it should say well done, and then hide, and it will broadcast blue. Well done, and he should hide. Okay. Right, we'll just try that again. What is this animal? This time I'll put dog. I'll give the incorrect answer. This time it should say wrong, and then it will broadcast wrong. Oh, broadcast wrong, which will play the wolf howl. And then he should hide. Okay, right. What I need to do now is go back to the stage. I say, when I receive blue, go to looks, switch to background, blue, which is what we're going to do. Okay, I'm now going to go to the bat script. And let's go to the background, we'll get the blue background. Right, we're going to put the bat in. Right, the bat. He's hiding first of all, but now when I receive blue, first thing I'm going to do is show. Okay. He's also going to ask a question. He's going to ask, in fact we might be able to just copy this. We might be able to just copy all of that onto the bat. Let's have a look. Right, when I receive blue, show. Right, we can get some of this away. We can now just delete all of this. So when I receive blue, show. Ask a question, what is this animal, and wait. The answer this time will be bat. And again the score will go up by 1, you'll say well done, and again it'll be wrong when it's going to broadcast, not blue, but the next one, which was green. Was it green? Let me just check. Yes, it was green and then yellow, so go back to the scripts for the bat. And so this time we're going to make a new one called green. Okay. Let's try it now. So cat, first of all. Cat is correct. It should broadcast blue and it should open the blue page. There it is. Let's try bat. And I forgot to put the wrong one in as well, so we'll go back there. You can also copy that to there. Go back to there. So with the bat, I'll just show you what happens when I go wrong here. It will also make the howling, presuming that I have imported that sound. Let's go and import that sound first. To the bat. That's no reason why it needs to be the same sound, really. Could be a sea lion. Okay, we'll have a sea lion. Let's have the sea lion instead. So, dog. It won't do both, so let's change it to the wolf. Can only do one. Import sounds, animal, to the bottom to get the wolf. Okay, back to scripts. Change it to wolf howl. And in fact, while I'm here, I might as well copy that to the bee as well, and we'll copy all of this to the bee as well. Right, we can go to the bee now. Change it slightly. Again, it's going to hide. Yes, it's still got the wrong part. But this time, the animal is a bee. And it's going to broadcast yellow. Okay, I think that should work now. Let's try it. We need to just import the sound. Let's try it from the beginning. So cat. Yes, take us to the blue screen. Right, now why have I got the bee showing up? Let's go back to the bee script. When I receive blue, it's when I receive green. That's why. Let's try it again. Cat, broadcast blue, will open the blue screen. Right, bat will broadcast green, will open the green screen. Right, the bee will broadcast yellow. And have we done the yellow yet? Go back to the scripts. No. So when I receive green, I will always open the green screen. Switch to background green. This is on the stage. When I receive yellow, I will open the yellow. Just tidy that up. Right click, clean up. So that's on the stage just for, that's the first one, which will always start off pink. After that, it's when it's received the broadcasts of blue, green and yellow. Back to the bee. When he's clicked, he hides until he receives green. When he shows, he then asks a question. If it's right, we say well done and the score goes up. If he's wrong, we broadcast wrong, which makes the wolf howl. He then hides and he broadcasts yellow. Right, the yellow screen, if we go back to the script, is basically the end one. So we'll edit that, add some text, just say well done. And make that a lot bigger. Put it in the middle, and we'll perhaps change the colour and say OK. So back to there, that will broadcast. Back to the script, and he should broadcast and he should hide. Right, let's test it from the top. Cat. Yes, broadcast blue. Bat should now broadcast green. Bee should broadcast yellow, which is the well done. Okay. Right, I'll try the whole thing again, getting it wrong. So let's put dog in there. It should make the howl. And it should do exactly the same for all of these. And it seems to be working.